Now let's talk about some troubleshooting. What if none of the articles work that you have found in your results list? You've set your limits, you're looking for the high level ones, and none of them meet the needs for your PICO question. What can we do next? Well, we're going to repeat the information literacy cycle, which we call the ease of information literacy, which means we go back to exploring and analyzing, synthesizing, and evaluating what we found. So you'll see that kind of outlined right here. You're going to cry a little maybe, but the fact that you've made it this far lets me know that you can easily repeat the process because you're becoming more information literate about what you're looking for. So if all of the articles don't work, use different search terms or use the or term and add them in those boxes so you can use them as or. You can always look in that subject area for some of the terms, so the same place we found that little checkbox for systematic reviews, look and see what terms are in there. And you can kind of click on any of the titles to see what terms they're using to add them to your search boxes and into your search formula. Maybe change to the medical term versus the layman's term, which might be in your box, and switch your ands and ors around. Sometimes that's helpful. It might broaden things for you. So that's one recommendation. The next thing that you can try is the EBSCO-PICO tool, and I'll show you how that works real quick. And you can also search inside those additional resources or the outlet mall. So if we go over here to the PICO tool, this tool is a little similar to our worksheet that we use, but the worksheet I think is set up a little bit better and teaches you how everything is put together. If you click on the PICO search, you'll see that it comes up empty. And so you'll see it kind of is identifying all of the areas for you. You'll see on the right, I took our first little issue that we were kind of researching and seeing if we can find some research for some solutions or therapies. And I just typed in stroke imbalance, virtual reality, no virtual reality, and improved balance. Now, when they run their search, they put their or in a little bit of a different place. So they still put the parentheses, but they put the or between the I and the C. So just know that when it ends up in the box, it'll look different from how we did it on the worksheet. So there are a variety of ways to do it. Now, again, when you are on the results page, you can always try to click on any of these resources here to see if your search string is successful in any of these. Remember, when you go into each one of these individual resources, you're going to need to set your limiters so that you're only finding the higher level articles like a systematic review or a meta-analysis. And these slides right here will kind of guide you to what you're looking for, like in the physical therapy journal. You're going to be wanting to look for systematic reviews on the right, and you're going to want to change your date range so that you'll see those. Also, this is the Cochrane database of systematic reviews. These are all going to be systematic reviews, but you're going to need to adjust your date range right over here. The PAGRO, which is the physiotherapy evidence database, just know that when you get into that database, you're going to want to look for systematic reviews in the methods section. And PubMed Central, just know that you're going to want to limit by years, and also in the top, identify systematic review or meta-analysis in the keyword area so that you're looking for those. Now, if you have any questions or need any help with any of your PICO or research, please know that you can reach out to a librarian anytime in whatever way is comfortable. You can call, email, stop in and visit, or connect with us via MS Teams. I'm Jennifer Bone. I'm one of the reference librarians here, and also Samantha Rogers. She's the other full-time reference librarian here, and both of us are so happy to help. So please feel free to reach out. Good luck, and we hope to hear from you soon.